Looking for a fun summertime drop-top vehicle? Let's take a look at this 1983 Mercedes SL 380. As you can see, in silver metallic paint, blue leather interior. Now, these things you can get into these days without breaking the bank. Considering brand new, I think back in 1983, these were a $42,000 approximately 2-seat convertible. This particular one, nice shape, a little over 64,000 miles on it. Of course, underneath the hood, 3.8 liter or 233 cubic inch V8. That is paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This particular car does have a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, anything like that, and actually verifies miles too. So is original correct miles. You can see up and down the side of it, not full of nicks, dings, scratches. I did notice up in the hood area, previous owner has just touched up. I don't even know if I can get it to show up in the pictures, but there's some real, just small spots where they took little silver touch-up paint, touched up a few of the rock chips, but nothing, anything too major, and you know it was well taken care of when you see a car that's previous owner has done that with it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can check out the underside, the interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, feel free to call us to 507-386-1726. Now, this particular car does not have a hard top with it. Soft top only. Soft top is blue in color and is in nice shape. You can check out that in the still pictures too. Get plenty of pictures with the top up, top down. Back here we have the rear package tray. And as far as like how you see these stripes, it's the nap of the cloth and how the detail department just vacuumed it. Again, leather is in nice shape. Headrests do go back and forth. You'll see pictures with it both ways there, and it's just for the comfort of the passenger or the driver. Seats, you can see, are in decent shape. I'd call this a nice driver quality car, kind of from interior to exterior. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this convertible to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So feel free to ask your sales associate when you call in or email us. Be happy to help you out with that. Come around to the rear, and again, you can see paint has a nice luster to it, nice shape. This is a manual top car. It's pretty simple to put the top up and down on them. A couple levers to move over on the driver's side, and a little special wrench you use to secure the front convertible top to above the windshield. Again, take a look up and down the driver's side. You can see it's also in nice shape on this side, not full of a bunch of dings, nicks, or scratches. Equipment, power steering, power brakes, AC. Nice gauge cluster in this one. The dash is cracked. I did see a kind of a flaw about right back through here. That's why there's a soft cover on there, FYI. Dash is not perfect in it. As far as the wood grain, that is in nice shape. Lots of times you see the lacquer coming off of that, or you see it cracking, so that is in nice shape. Let's go ahead and start this up. There's your miles. Sorry, I said a little over 64,000, a little over 62,000. 62791. See, starts easily. Only light indicator there was for seat belts. Other than that, no other indicator lights on. Alright, go ahead. Slip out. I want you to hear this car from behind, and we'll pop the hood too so you can check out the engine bay. Pretty much what you'd expect out of a 3.8 liter SL engine. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop this hood and show you how that engine bay looks. Alright, have the hood popped. Speaking of which, they did make the hoods out of aluminum on these. Very easy to open and close, and also I suppose they wanted to lighten up the weight of this convertible. So there you have it. You can see how smooth the 3.8 liter is running under there. Again, power steering, power brake car. Nice summertime car. So if you're looking, like I said, for 1983 Mercedes SL 380, won't break the bank on price. You want a little fun with a summer drop top? Here you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when calling in or emailing.